Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. Today I will be talking about a technology that can help you in your career. It works like a career counselor. It can provide you steps that you need to excel in a particular career, what extra skill you will be needing for same. I have started using this and I think it's a very good tool for all the people who have recently graduated or young students who are confused on what career to pursue and how to do that. This counselor is based on AI, so it will be intelligent enough to provide you with the right step for your career, as well as it will keep on taking your feedbacks to improve its algorithm. So let's go ahead and try it out. To use CareerDekho AI, that is your AI career counselor, you can type that in the browser here. Here you can sign up using your Google ID or your normal username and password. I'll go ahead with this Google. As soon as you log in with your Google account or any form of sign up, it will ask you for all of your age, location and so forward. I'll go ahead. It will ask you for a 10-digit number. It will ask you what describes you best. I can choose like working professional. It will be asking you for your location, and this location it will use it later for giving you intelligent suggestions. I can allow it to auto detect, and it's asking me for what are the relevant options. I'm looking for career counselor. And that's done. Now our profile is all set. This is the dashboard. In here you have two options. One is the detailed career path finder, where you can go ahead and find the detailed steps of how to pursue a career. The second is AI powered career suggestion, which depending on your personality and interest will give you 4 to 6 career suggestions. So I want to first try this one. I think this tool is extremely useful for all the new students or young graduates which are confused based on their skill what is the good career to pursue. So here first you have to go ahead and choose one of the option. Suppose I enjoy creating artistic thing. I'll go ahead and select that. In here I have to add 1 to 3 maximum interest. As an artist I love painting, so I'll add that. I love doing nail art, I'll add that. And third, I love creating digital art. So these are the 5 careers that it has created. One is science, the other is animator cartoonist, third one is scientific illustrator, fourth one is graphic designer, and fifth one is medical illustrator. If you notice in here, it has given 5 options, but in here they have written only 4 careers. So I think there is a kind of a miss, but we can ignore that as of now. But in the options, I think I like these all options because these all exactly match to what skill I have added. Let's go ahead and open one of them. I went ahead and selected this graphic designer. Let me click on this. Clicking on this will take you to the next page where it will provide the detailed steps that you will be needing. If you see here, it has all of these options. What is the personality that will be needed? What are the top universities, top colleges, offline classes, paid courses, company hiring, and so forward. This is a very extensive list and I love all the options that are in here. The good thing about it is, like initially when you log in, it asks your location, and on basis of a location, it provides all the top colleges, top university near you, which I really like. So here, it first explain you what is a graphic designer. Then you can go ahead and select any of this. Suppose I want to see what are the steps. So if you see, these are the steps that it has provided. Taking a graphic designing course, researching to the software. You can go ahead and pause the video and read it through, but the list is really extensive. Now if I want to see the top university, so like I have said earlier also, here since I have added my location as US, that's why it's giving me all of the graphic designer courses near me, like the universities that are near me. You can go ahead and read through all of these tips, but I'll just quickly cruise over all of the options. Now let's go back to the dashboard and check out other options. The next option they have is this detailed career path finder. I think this will be most used by professional or students who have just entered the job market, because in here once clicking on that you can choose any of the roles that you want and you can just ask like what are the steps for that role. In here suppose I want to be a software architect. I'll go ahead, click on this, and in the same way like how it has given me for graphic designer, it will provide me all of the roles and responsibility, what's the personality like, the step by step, top university and so forward. I'll just go back to the dashboard. There's also one option of checking your history. You can go ahead and check all your history in here. The rest of them are typical options that they have: settings, support, invite friend and log out. That's it for today. Thank you for joining in this session of What's New in Tech. Please like and subscribe to my channel and do comment in the video below what career advices is this AI tool giving you. Thanks, and we'll see you again in next session of What's New in Tech.